Hello guys, welcome to SemTechHub. If you're new here, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to this channel, and give this video a like because over here I will be posting a lot of videos on how to make money online, and a lot of simple life hacks. In today's video, we'll be discussing the steps you can take to recover a deleted or terminated YouTube channel. Losing access to your channel can be a frustrating experience, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through the recovery process. So before I begin this tutorial, please kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel for more educating content like this, and share it as a valuable resource to all those who may need it. And without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is figure out why your channel was deleted or terminated. YouTube usually sends an email notification explaining the reason they deleted your channel. Common reasons why they can delete your channel include violating community guidelines, copyright infringement, or multiple severe policy violations. Understanding the cause of the channel deletion will help you take the appropriate action. If your channel has been terminated or you think it was suspended in error, you can submit an appeal to YouTube. To do that, click on the appeal here. Make sure that you fill in the appeal form as completely as possible, including your channel URL. When you get to this place, you need to fill the form. You have to enter your full name, the email address you used to sign into your YouTube channel, the email address we can use to contact you, and the URL of your suspended YouTube channel. Briefly explain why you think your channel was suspended in error. Be sure to review YouTube's community guidelines and copyright policies before submitting your appeal. Please note, if your appeal involves one or more private videos, by submitting this request you're explicitly giving permission for our reviewers to view your private video content. Once you've submitted your appeal or request, it's important to be patient. YouTube receives a significant number of appeals, so it may take some time for them to review and respond to yours. Losing access to your YouTube channel can be a distressing experience, but don't lose hope. By following these steps, submitting an appeal, and staying persistent, you can increase your chances of recovering your deleted or terminated YouTube channel.
A few moments later.
So that is it, guys, a very simple tutorial on how to recover your deleted YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you again in the next video. Peace.